Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming purity and choosing a carrier oil. Quality matters because undiluted oil can irritate. Once confirmed, measure a 1% to 2% dilution, about 0.5 to 1 ml of the essential oil into 10 ml carrier, and use a glass dropper to combine. Mix gently by rolling the bottle. Heat will degrade components, so avoid warm water. Now perform a small patch test on your forearm and wait 24 hours to check for sensitivity before broader use. Next, decide how you'll use it and why each method matters. For topical relief, apply 1 to 2 diluted drops to pulse points or soles because skin there absorbs well. Remember to avoid eyes and mucous membranes. For airborne support, add 3 to 5 drops to a diffuser for up to an hour to scent and freshen the room. For hard surface cleaning, combine 10 to 15 drops with 500 ml water and a mild soap. This leverages the oil's aromatic properties safely and effectively. Finally, seal and store your mixture in a dark glass bottle, labeled with the dilution ratio and date. This preserves potency. If you experience any irritation, stop immediately, wash with mild soap and water, and apply plain carrier oil to dilute residue. Seek medical attention for severe reactions. Make sure to keep oils out of reach of children and pets, and consult a pediatrician or veterinarian before using near them. One quick troubleshooting tip. If scent weakens, refresh with a small...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.